Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce dressing. Start by melting butter and immediately whisk in an equal amount of flour to form a roux. Gradually pour in cold milk while whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. Season with salt, white pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for balance. Use the sauce hot for pasta, cooled for dressings, or thin it with stock for soups. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce dressing. To diversify flavors, stir grated Parmesan into the hot sauce for a rich, cheesy profile. For a bright dressing, whisk in Dijon mustard or a splash of white wine vinegar and adjust salt to taste. Fresh herbs like chopped parsley or dill added off heat lift the sauce. Finish with lemon zest if you want a lively, aromatic touch. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce dressing. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen sessions. They feel great on your feet while you stir and taste, and they hold up wash after wash. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce dressing. Always add cold milk slowly to a hot roux while whisking to prevent lumps and ensure a silky texture. Cook the roux just until fragrant and pale, avoiding browning to keep the classic flavor. If the sauce is too thick, thin it incrementally with warm milk or stock until it coats the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.